Hello, beautiful people. Thank you for watching this video. We got another real estate development for you located in La Cruz de Huanacaxtle, Riviera, Nayarit. These are condominiums, 1, 2, and 3 bedrooms. They just came out. There's ocean views. Check this out. Square footage, 1,000 to 2,800 square feet in size, with prices ranging $331,000 to $1,046,000. And the amenities that you will be able to enjoy, they have a jungle club. They have actually 3 jungle clubs. They have paddle court, gyms, hiking and bird watching, business center, private beach club, pickleball court, parking, elevators, everything you need. The delivery date is 2026. If you want more information about real estate in La Cruz de Huanacaxtle or Riviera Nayarit or Puerto Vallarta, please contact us today. Look at this, Manzanilla Beach nearby, a real small town energy, airport located just 15-20 minutes away. Come on, what else can you ask for? Contact us today.